Hello students, let us continue with coordinate geometry. Solved example on page 57. So here we have the axis drawn with different points located. We have to find their coordinates, and the question is write down the coordinates of the points marked on the axis. So we have your x and y axis intersecting at the origin, and you have points A, B, C, D and E. You have to find the coordinates. So the coordinates as we learnt in our previous classes, they are represented as x comma y, where x is your abscissa or the x coordinate and y is the ordinate or the y coordinate. So what is your abscissa? Is the perpendicular distance from the y axis, and ordinate is the perpendicular distance from the x axis. So let's check for point A. Now point A, the x coordinate is perpendicular distance from the y axis. So this is going to be 4, and if you notice the y coordinate or the ordinate is 0 because this is lying on the x axis. So we have learnt in the previous class that the ordinate is 0 for a point lying on the x axis. So the point A, the coordinates of point A is 4, 0. Let's check for point B. So my point B is here, it is lying on the y axis, therefore my x coordinate is going to be 0. And the y coordinate is the perpendicular distance from the x axis, which is 1, 2 and 3. So 3. Now this was on the positive side, therefore it was positive. Again your B was on the positive side of the y axis, therefore it is again positive. Now let's check for point C. Now point C is here. So it is lying on the x axis, therefore the y coordinate is going to be 0. How about the x coordinate? The x coordinate is perpendicular distance from the y axis. So this is 5, but it is on the negative side, so it is going to be -5. So your x coordinate is -5. And as we discussed that it is lying on the x axis, therefore the x coordinate is 0. So the coordinates of point C are -5 and 0. Let's take a look at D. So my D is here. D is again lying on the y axis, therefore the x coordinate is 0. So D is 0, and the y coordinate is perpendicular distance from the x axis. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the distance, but it is lying on the negative side of the y axis, therefore I will take the y coordinate as -4. How about point E? Now point E is here, the x coordinate is perpendicular distance from the y axis. So E is lying between 0 and 1, and they have marked this point as 2/3. So this is on the positive side of the x axis, therefore the x coordinate is 2/3. Also E is lying on the x axis, therefore the y coordinate is going to be 0. So with this we have learned how to locate the coordinates of a point when the points are already given on the coordinate, the Cartesian coordinate system. In the next classes we will solve the exercise pertaining to this topic, and then we will go ahead with the other section of the chapter wherein they will give you coordinates and you will have to plot it on your graph, right. So with this we wind up with the solved examples related to exercise 3.2. We will take a look at everything else in the forthcoming classes. Thank you.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.